Like I said, I'm not buying anything. I'm really not gonna buy. The crab is tasteless. The egg is saltless. Hi guys, so today is it day 5? I believe so, day 5 in Tenerife, and today we are going to the mall. We're going to the mall because I tried to do the water thing, like the diving and stuff, and they were like, because I don't know how to swim very well, I cannot do that. So today we are going to the mall. Tomorrow we'll figure it out later on, but today it's a mall day. And this is the outfit. Gonna lift up so you can see, like a flowy dress. So I'm just waiting for the shuttle bus right now. It's gonna leave at 11 a.m. I don't know what time it is, but it's almost 11, and I can see the car is almost ready though. So we'll be leaving soon, and I've not decided which of the malls to go yet. I've just been checking Google Maps, and there are so many options, but I want a mall where everything is available, where I can ease, I can just walk through the shops. I'm not gonna do any shopping because my bag is not that big enough to accommodate any new thing, so I'll try not to spend, but I'll bring you guys along. So see you later. Yeah. Hi guys, so I just arrived at some part of the mall. For now I'm just looking for something to eat because I'm really hungry. There doesn't seem to be much food, or maybe I am not seeing a lot of restaurants, but I'm going to have a look and I'll let you know what I find. I found nothing in there to eat, so I'm going out. As you can see, I'm already out. Ooh, it's a really bustling side of town. And there seems to be a street market across from the road. I'm gonna go there, guys. I love street market. Yeah, so I'm gonna cross the road from there, and perhaps I'll get something to eat there. If I don't get anything, I'll come back, get something to eat, then I'll go back to the street market because I'm very hungry. Guys, I am here. This is where I wanted to come to. It's a very big mall, sort of like a luxury mall. It is like another round of shops, very expensive shops. I'm just about to enter, but so far I'm not seeing any food shops, but the reviews did say there were food shops, so fingers crossed I get some food or restaurant inside. So I finally found a place to eat, guys. Gone through the menu and selected something just for breakfast. I didn't choose, like it's already lunchtime, but I chose breakfast. I want to have a proper breakfast meal. And they are currently getting my order ready. However, I don't know if I made the right decision to have breakfast when it's lunchtime. I just hope I love whatever it is that is serving. So I'm waiting for my meal to come. Thank you. So they brought my hot chocolate. It's good, and it comes with a biscuit. I'll turn the camera and show you guys. So this is it. How it's looking. I hope it tastes good. And the biscuit. Just one. I wonder what I'm supposed to do with this, but anyways, I have it. This is the main meal, guys. I think I'm already regretting my decision because this is not what I envisioned in my head. They said it comes with bacon and other stuff. So the bacon is supposed to be in here. The cheese and everything. I thought they came separately, but apparently they are together. I just hope it tastes good, guys. I'll be so angry that I wasted my money because it's not cheap. The crab is tasteless, the egg is saltless, and yeah, so it's only the bacon, basically, which has salt in it that is giving it taste. So I'm done eating and I decided to take a walk outside. The place is actually close to the beach, so you can see the beach right behind me. I'm gonna turn around and go take a walk there. Yeah, and if you look ahead of me too, from where I'm standing, there are much more nicer spots to the beach. I don't know which to take. I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see that as well. You can see people walking down and some walking back from there. I don't know which side to take first. I think I'm gonna go down. Actually, I just remembered I don't like walking. Okay, I'm gonna go this way, guys, because that part seems to be quite longer and I don't like walking, so I'm just gonna go down there.
Yeah, we got a lot of money, boy.
Hi guys, so I just put this on to do some TikTok videos, and I think it's time to go home. I've been here for well over an hour, probably close to 2 hours. It's time to go back. And this man behind there started playing some music. It's quite nice. I've been dancing to it. I'll probably no, I don't think I have a video, a YouTube video for that. I did some snaps and TikToks. Probably I may insert some in the video. But yeah, it plays so well. I think it's time to go back home, guys. I'm gonna get my stuff, and my phone is on low battery. Luckily, I've got a power bank, so I'm just gonna charge it, and I'll be on my way. I waved the man because he was laughing at me when I was doing my TikToks. It's time to go, guys. Today might probably be the last day I go out because I'm resting tomorrow since I'm leaving on Saturday. Thank you. So I might not see you guys out again, but I'll probably vlog still in the hostel, and I'll show you guys around the hostel. So ciao. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's afternoon. I woke up not long ago and just got ready. Today I'm not going anywhere. I have no activities planned, so I'm just gonna stay in the hostel. So I'm currently dressed. Just did a little something on my face. Yeah, because I'm not going. I mean, it's not too much. You can see. I'm just going out to sit in the common area. It's like literally outside to just read some books. I'll eat as well, and probably watch some YouTube. So that's the outlook for today. It's just a simple dress that I got from Temu. So I need to go out now, guys, warm my food and eat, and then I'll probably show you around the hostel because I have my tripod with me, so hopefully no one tells me to put up my camera. Okay. Oh, my room is not bright today. Yeah. See you guys outside when I'm reading and eating. Okay.
Yeah, we got a lot of